And as I walk through the valley of death, my voice echoes out through the night. Lord, Lord, whatever your reason, don't be the reason right.
Hello YouTube. I thought I'd show you my, probably turn it around, a little better setup would be nice. This is my second Vise I restored. It is a, what the hell is it again? Brain fart. No.2x. There we go. Just drop it on the bench. This is my No.2x Parker Vise. When I first got it, if you see pictures on my Instagram, you couldn't even see the horrible marks in it. There's two drill holes here and here. I am assuming these jaws come off. I'm not even going to play with those. I basically stripped it clean. I didn't even vapor rust it. I wire brush ground the whole thing, cleaned it off, and got it working. There's not much else I did to it. Cleaned it up, cleaned the screws off, didn't even change the handle. Still got all the original dings and patina on it. I don't even want to know how to get these. That's got a really complex thing in there. I don't even want to pretend or imagine to know how the hell to get these jaws off here. It's a nice vise. It's got a lot of little things in here. You can see where the holes are. Surprisingly, the handle's not murdered too much. I'm guessing, it's the same style handle as the other one. It's got, it could be cleaned off better. As you can tell, people, I don't know why they do this. Let me put over here. I'll show you. Not sure why people do this to vices, but come on, people. You buy a goddamn vise. This part is not an anvil. I mean, even I know that. I'm not an expert at anything, but for real, this might have a little meat in it, but it's not an anvil. The vise is made for, putting stuff in it. If it was an anvil, I would expect the vise to be about this big and about 4 inches thick here, and just, one of those anvil vices. But I would assume, maybe I'm wrong, maybe you can beat on here, but it's not very thick. And these things, I've seen pictures of them cracked and split. This one's not split. This has a little bit of, I could shave it off, but it's got all the wear. It's got little nicks. I could probably file all this down all beautiful like they ruin vices online, make it all pretty and disgusting. But you know what? The side is smooth and clean. It's in nice shape. I think I paid $70 for this thing, or I don't know, 70 or 80 bucks. And the guy was like, "Here, just take all kinds of shit." I sprayed it with clear lacquer, which appears it's, from it looks like it wasn't enough because it looks like it's rusting a little bit. I probably should probably paint it pink or something. I don't know. The thing I want to do is, I would like to mount it to my bench, but I got one over there, and how many vices do I need on my goddamn bench? 4? I don't know. So if I do mount it on here, maybe I'll just put it over here somewhere. It's got smaller jaws than my record vise. And it's a nice sucker. I'm going to put a couple of bolt holes, or I'm going to cut a notch in the bench here somehow. I might find a way to temporarily mount it. I don't know, but I don't want to mount it on the welding bench. If I do mount it anywhere, it's going to be over there somewhere. It's a nice little vise. It's, again, there's not a lot of damage marks on here. The handle, the little meatball, it's in nice shape. The handle, if I probably went over it with a little grinder, cleaned it, maybe a hand file, maybe just polish the ends here, I could probably make the handle look a lot better. The front has some, I don't know if it's hammer marks, people just using it as an anvil. It's got a few, you can tell it's got some grinder marks here and some damage here and here. But for the most part, the sides look pretty nice. I mean, I have to admit, these things are like works of art. They're really nice. They like the old little raised letters, and this is the Chaz Parker Company. Maybe I should just, but you know what? The lettering on it is actually, decent shape. It's not great. These letters are nice. This is a little bit chewed here. I guess somebody beat a hammer and nicked it. It'd be nice to find another one. I'd like to find a really, really nice one. It's got a mark, like, keep the angle grinder in there. I don't know. Anyway, that's my little. I think I don't know if I made a video of this. I know I don't think I was making videos when I repaired this. I know there's some of this is on my Instagram, the pictures, and if you like Vises, well, there's a nice one. There's, if you go on YouTube and Instagram, there's not Instagram, Facebook. There's a group called Bench Vises Forever. There is some nice pieces of equipment. They make these things like artwork. I mean, they don't make them like this anymore. They make them ugly and square. So, hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.